guys. Yes, thank you very much. Good evening, good afternoon, good morning, whenever you are. Let me just share my screen. There you go. I would like to share my whole screen. And this is how we roll. We are starting another Become the cTrader Master webinar. Today's webinar will be a little bit different. Nevertheless, it will be still engaging and entertaining, I guess, algorithmic trading, but not in a form that we used to do it up to date. So showing you guys the platform and talking about the cTrader Automate in the cTrader, because that's a completely different story, and we got it covered already. In one of our previous webinars. So please go ahead to and take a look on the YouTube list to see what is going on. There. Today we are going to talk about the algorithmic trading, but a little bit a different way. Okay, so a little bit from a little bit different point of view. Let me just say. So I will just switch to, I guess I should switch to full screen mode, and it should look like this. Thank you very much. So let's just start to talk about the introduction to the algorithmic trading. Of course, on the behalf of the TopFX, we are going to talk about the cTrader, obviously, right? But generally, if we are going to talk about the algorithmic trading, and if we are going to use the cBots and algorithms and program it and stuff like that, we need to get to know what is the algorithmic trading, right? um, how to define it, basically. And as far as I'm concerned, you can do it in a few ways, but the number one definition is that the algorithm trading refers to the use of the computer programs, that algorithms, to make trading decisions automatically, which means it will involve the use of statistical models, mathematical computations, and the other quantitative techniques to execute trading strategies in an efficient and timely manner without the use of the human interaction, without any help of the human interaction. This is our algorithmic trading. So the algorithm will trade basically for you. The algorithm will make the decision whether it should trade or not, based on the predefined settings, of course. So let's just take a look. What are the advantages of the algorithmic trading? First off is algorithmic trading allows for swift and precise trade execution, reducing the potential for the human error and emotional decision making. So this is the one big advantage of the algorithmic trading. I would rather add that algorithmic trading saves you time. If you program the algorithm, if you program your cBot in cTrader, or if you use the cBot in cTrader from the vast library of the ready-made cBots, then you saving the time, because the bot can trade 24 hours a day, a week, sorry, 24 hours a day. Yes, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, of course. And of course, there is very or none human interaction with the algorithm, of course. So the potential for the human error is almost none, 0% potential, and no emotional decision making like FOMO, right? Remember this, or any other kind of psychological issues that we might have, emotional basically issues most likely, and motivational issues that we might have during trading activity, right? Other thing is the liquidity, because when you use automated algorithmic trading, then of course you can enhance market liquidity and reduce bid ask spreads. Why? Because most likely this algorithm will trade more than you will do, and the algorithm will most likely catch different market moves than you will do. That's the difference. And of course, you can diversify across multiple markets and securities, stocks, CFDs, whatever, simultaneously, and that's the other big advantage. Algorithm can do way more than you can do these days, right? And you cannot focus on all of the markets. You cannot track all of the markets. Algorithms can. They can do it, and they will do it. They can trade across the multiple markets. They can execute trades across the multiple markets working 24/7. And that's a huge, huge advantages of the algorithmic trading. So when we talk about algorithmic trading, what are the trading strategies based on the algorithms, based on the most popular and most widely known algorithmic trading strategies? The first, of course, is the mean reversion. The mean reversion means that we are going to exploit the tendency of markets or tendency of the prices to revert to the historical average over time. So basically, if you apply like a 100 days moving average, sooner or later the market will go towards this moving average. For example, of course, the mean reversion very often used, for example, channels. When you have one standard deviation to the upside, one standard deviation to the downside, or Bollinger Bands, and sooner or later the market should revert to the historical average over the time, over the selected period of time, basically, right? So that mean reversion, first step of the algorithmic trading strategy. The second one is the momentum trading, very, very much utilized during for the scalpers during the trading activity or day traders, because it involves capitalizing on the continuation of the existing market trends and price movements. So if there is an uptrend on the one of the markets, DAX, Euro, Bitcoin, whatever, you are getting a slice of a pie from it if you are a momentum trader, basically, right? So generally, if there's a price movement, scalpers they trade the straight. If there's no price movement, get bored. They get bored and they don't have much to do, basically. Which is why they love when the market moves in any kind of a direction. And in terms of the diversification, we talk about arbitrage. Arbitrage strategies seek to capitalize on price discrepancies between related financial instruments. And if you can do it, that's completely different level of the algorithm trading strategy. If you can do the arbitrage, then you can, of course, very much reduce the risk of your trading. Right? So that's another story for the arbitrage, but I wanted to mention it for you guys. Now, what are the key components of an algorithmic trading system, of a trading system? Remember, you need to have the software. You got the software. You got cTrader. It has cTrader Automate that can generate the 𝗙cie𝗹𝗹cie, right? So this software is generated to is designated, is produced to execute trading orders according to predefined criteria and predefined rules. We are going to talk about a little bit later. Then you need data feed and analysis, right, to access the accurate and real-time markets data, right? This is vital for algorithmic trading strategies, and the TopFX broker can provide you this without any problems. And of course, you need risk management tools, those tools that can help you control and mitigate the potential trading risk through various measures and controls. And this is as well present in the cTrader Automate in cTrader, basically, right? So all of these components, key components of the algorithmic trading system, are present in cTrader. Everything you need to set up algorithmic trading system is here. Moreover, you can modify it because you can use the C# programming language to do it. Now, data sources and analysis for algorithmic trading. Of course, there are the real-time data and the historical data. Historical data are used for the pattern recognition in the past, for backtesting, for optimizing, and the real-time data, which are, of course, very, very often instant market updates. They can do up to the second market data for informed decision making. So real-time data are the data that are actually algorithms trade on, and the historical data are actually those data that algorithms are trained on. Right? So we train this algorithm to see how it behaves in the past. We take a look at this very closely. Then we try to optimize this predefined entry and exit and risk management orders for our 𝗙cie𝗹𝗹cie, for our strategy. When it's done, we go to real time up to the second market data, and we trade using our algorithm. Now, backtesting and optimization of the trading strategies. Of course, if you don't know what I'm talking about, let me just explain it briefly. The backtesting, as I said, is using the trading strategies historical data. It's using the basically the market historical data to train the trading strategies to achieve bigger effectiveness through the optimization. And optimization is refining trading strategies to enhance performance based on backtesting results. So first you do the backtest, you see, does it even make sense to run this cbot with this kind of a predefined settings here? Because how much money I can make, what's my drawdown, what is my biggest gain, what my biggest consecutive losses, and stuff like this. And you analyze this data, and then you try to make the most of it by optimizing it. That's the clearest and simplest definition you can basically have on those two topics. So the other thing is the risk management. So the risk management in algorithm trading is based on three different steps. The first step one is position sizing, because you need to calculate trade sizes based on the risk tolerance and market conditions. And the risk appetite has a different, of course, position sizing. It recalculates the whole cbot in different way. You might have completely different results when the cbot is, for example, your algorithm basically cbot. I will be talking about the cTrader terminology. If the cbot is told to trade one lot only, and you will have completely different results when cbot is told to trade two lots or five or 10 or half. Okay, then stop loss orders, they need to be implemented automatically to limit potential losses. It's obvious. All right. So the stop loss orders must be in place. And of course, to manage the risk even further, you can diversify. You can spread the investments across different assets to reduce overall risk exposure, basically. All right. So you don't put the all eggs to one hat, basically. Okay. So different you trade different markets, you trade different assets, you trade correlated assets and incorrelated assets, and so on and so on. You can run plenty of this cbots on the cTrader Automate. You don't have to worry about this because the diversification opportunities are there, just waiting for you to use them, basically, if you know what I'm talking about. Now, it seems so easy, it seems so careless, yeah, it seems pretty well maintained and automatic, but there are some challenges. There are some challenges involving, for example, technological risk, right? Because sometimes the system have outage, sometimes there is no connectivity, sometimes the data are inaccurate, right? And those are real challenges that are on the side of the hardware. Basically, let's say this is the hardware kind of a risk, technological risk, right? Then market volatility, Bank of Japan, Bank of England, Federal Reserve market intervention, and all of your algorithmic trading is in deep trouble because they don't care about who is running what kind of an algorithm. They just do their job. And those kind of unexpected black swan mm, accidents based on this unforeseen market movements will impact algorithmic trading strategies significantly, right? Which is why you use the risk management systems, and of course regulatory compliance, because you need to comply to the regulations and the standards. This is of course crucial. Those standards change from time to time. Nevertheless, normally there isn't any big problem, which is why I've mentioned it as the last one. Most likely, all of the brokers are allowing the algorithmic trading without any problem. And the advantage of the TopFX is that it has a very nice trading platform called cTrader, which has implemented already cAutomate, who is apparently algorithmic trading feature based on the C hash programming language that can allow you to build your own cbot, your own custom indicators if you want, and run it using the historical data to backtest and optimize, and then on the real market data to trade. So this is how it looks like on the TopFX. Future trends in algorithmic trading. Let's talk about the future. Basically, what can be really a challenge for the algorithmic trading? Basically, machine learning. If you utilize machine learning algorithms to enhance training strategies and analytics, you will be one step ahead of everybody else. You can tailor your algorithmic trading to specific market, even to the specific market conditions. Like for example, you can tailor your algorithm trading. You can tailor the algos to the cryptocurrency trading, for example, only, right? So that seems to be a completely different trend in the algo trading, and of course, quantum computing. As we know, the quantum computing can resolve plenty of problems within split of the seconds, and that can have a big impact on trading algorithms and the speed that trading algos work or operate on the financial markets, right? So imagine the quantum computer sending hundreds of millions of orders across the world on different markets, right? So who knows, maybe the future trends will look exactly like this, or maybe even similar. So for the first part, let me just do the conclusion and key takeaways, right? So the first thing is that the algorithmic trading offers opportunities for enhanced automation and efficiently in financial markets. Continuous advancement in technology and analytics will drive the evolution of the algorithmic trading. So if you didn't actually catch the wagon is about to go out of the station. So whether you like it or not, algorithmic trading is here. It's evolving, and it will drive the evolution, where the advantages of the technology and the analysis and the big data and the AI and the machine learning and stuff like this will only drive the evolution of the algorithm trading for its speed and accuracy, for example. And of course, balancing the potential rewards with the inherent risk is crucial in the algorithmic trading strategies. We talk about it a lot during the presentation. Let me just switch to the part two. uh, Thank you very much. So I got one more part of the presentation for you, which is directly related to the algorithmic trading. So basically, we talk about the introduction. We talk about the introduction to the algorithmic trading. Let me just remind you that it is very important to choose the right platform again, because choosing the right platform is crucial for gaining access to wide range of financial markets, of stocks, forex, commodities, and cryptocurrencies. Okay, you don't want to have a broker who has only limited himself to trading forex, for example, because you can't diversify. That's it. Order execution, which means that the platform that you are using for the algorithm trading must be very very fast, like cTrader is, very very efficient, like cTrader is, and this can give you a significant impact on your trading results, on your trading performance, especially if the market are violate. Okay, fast order execution within split of the second. In TopFX is 30 milliseconds. This is one of the main advantages of the cTrader running on the TopFX broker, and of course the availability of advanced charting tools, technical indicators, other analysis features is essential because you need to make informed trading decisions. Backtesting and optimization, it's so obvious I don't even mention it. So cTrader platform has all of this. Intuitive interface, which is user friendly, making it easy to navigate and access various tools and features. It has advanced charting that allow traders to perform in-depth technical analysis and gain insights to the market movements, and it is very very fast. The cTrader platform is known for its fast and reliable order execution, which is, of course, as I said, crucial for advantage of fleeting trading opportunities, right? So this is the cTrader platform advantages. Clean design, very clean, because it was made by traders for traders. Clean, modern design, uncluttered trading environment, that easy to manage your trading behavior. You can customize your widgets on your dashboards when you can access quickly without any problems market data, tools, calendar, technical analysis, whatever you want, basically, right? And intuitive navigation tools enable you to swiftly move between different sections and features of the platform. You can, for example, get one. If you have a 4-screen setup, you can have one setup, one screen to the upside, one screen to the downside. You can move the screens, you can split the screens, you can get them back together. Plenty of things that can make your trading easier. Let's just dig in a little bit deeper about to take a look at the tools and features of the cTrader. Obviously, algorithmic trading, right? So for the algorithmic trading, um, the cTrader has the C algo, which is done, which is programmed basically for the algorithmic traders to run the algorithms, right? cBots, which is called cBots. They can program their own cBots from scratch using the C# programming language. We got advanced risk management tools, which help you to control and mitigate potential risk, right? And you got all of the necessary order types, which eventually provide flexibility for executing trades based on the specific criteria and market conditions. So, charting and technical analysis capabilities, right? So, what you can do in cTrader, you can have multiple timeframes, as I said. You can analyze price movement across different timeframes, which can provide you comprehensive insights into market trends. Then you can apply some technical indicators, custom technical indicators, standard technical indicators shared for you by the, for example, community. There's extensive range of the technical indicators. They can, of course, help you to identify potential entry and exit points for your trade. And drumming tools for conducting through chart analysis and making key support and resistance levels or trend lines or whatever you basically want. You can draw anything you need for your analysis, right? Market type, order types we got on the cTrader for your disposal are market orders, limit orders, stop orders, and stop limit orders. So 4 types of the orders. Basically, the 4 type is the mixture of the stop and limit orders. So if you have a little bit of a knowledge about the trading, so you already know what I'm talking about. The market orders are just um, the orders that are placed directly to the market to execute buy and sell orders immediately, and limit and stop orders are pending orders which allow traders to specify the maximum price at which they are willing to buy or sell certain assets. So we got all of this covered on the cTrader. For the risk management tools, we got stop loss orders. Of course, they are used to automatically close the position at a predetermined price level, which is limiting potential losses. We got take profit orders. Of course, we can lock the profits, automatically closing a position when a specific price target is reached. And we got tools for analyzing risk reward ratio in order to help traders assess the potential profitability of the trades against associated risk. All of this is for your disposal on cTrader platform. We, of course, have the partial take profit orders up to 5 levels, and we have trailing stop as well. So all of these advanced risk management tools are present on cTrader. So backtesting and optimization capabilities. So we can perform using the cTrader C Automate historical data analysis, because we can provide the historical market data, allowing traders to test their strategies against past movements. We can optimize the strategy, so refine and optimize the trading strategies based on the historical data analysis. And of course, we can do the performance analysis, the comprehensive performance analysis, and analytics is possible for the algorithmic for the cBots on the cTrader Automate in order to help traders assess the effectiveness of the trading strategy and, of course, make data-driven decisions. So, if we know what it is automated trading, if you know what platform we should use, what we're supposed to do with this very beautifully started topic, we can of course try to evaluate in learning, right? So I encourage you to um, try to learn from the platform overview and from the features of the cTrader in TopFX, so you can plan the next steps for utilizing these features we talk about effectively. And of course, ongoing education, exploration of the new tools and features offered by cTrader by TopFX is essential for long-term trading success. So if you still lack any information, go ahead to the YouTube playlist. There is over 50 videos about the cTrader that can allow you to understand the platform deeper and dive deeper into the cTrader features, functionalities, modules, anything basically what you need to discover in the cTrader is already there, waiting for you to be be discovered, basically, right? So that's about it for today. Um, if we speak about the algorithmic trading. Thank you very much for being here with me. Thank you very much for staying here for this, let's say, 30-minute webinar. This is part one of the algorithmic trading webinars. It will be more. And it will not only be about the algorithms, it will not only be about the cTrader Automate, it will be more as well about the artificial intelligence. But stay tuned. Don't worry about it yet. We will let you know in the nearest webinars when we will get more details to share with you guys about how this next webinars will look like. So, but for today, thank you very much for being here. I wish you a pleasant evening and hope I see you guys next time. Take care and bye bye.